Hello, this is the Train Lover 11 here, and I'm here to show you my entire subway collection and other trains. First, I'm going to show you the lettered, then numbered, then regular trains, then the creations I made. First, I'll start with the lettered. A train, 8th Ave Express. B train, 6th Ave Express. C train, 8th Ave Local. D train, 6th Ave Express. E train, 8th Ave Local. F, 6th Ave Local.
I'm not going to play with that. Do something.
G, Brooklyn Queens Crosstown Local. J, Nassau Street Express. Well, now it's local since M turned to the 6th Ave line. L, 14th Street Canarsie Local. N, Nassau Street Local, but now it's 6th Ave Local. N, Broadway Express, but now it's local, I think. Q, Broadway Express. R, Broadway Local. And Z, Nassau Street Express. Now we're going on to my numbered lines. 1 train, Broadway Local. 2 trains, 7th Ave 1 train, 7th Ave Express. 2 trains, local for 1. 2 train, 7th Ave Express. 3 train, 7th Ave Express. 4 train, Lexington Ave Express. 5 train, Lexington Ave Express. 6 train, Lexington Ave Local. 7 train, Flushing Local. And the 42nd Street Shuttle. And I didn't get the pack. I just got the single car. Now it's time for my regular train. Metro North, Long Island Railroad, and Staten Island Railway. And here's my Acela. Okay, now here's the front of the Metro North and Long Island Railroad. And here's the one side of the Staten Island Railway. I don't know if I can get to it. There we go. It says top. Okay, now time for my creation. They're not really in order, but I'm just going to show them to you. I'm going to put it on the floor. E train. Long Island Railroad. Metro North, Staten Island Railway. F train. Q train. 7 train. M train, not anymore for that. A train. Shuttle. Two train. 3 train. The 2 and the 3 are like the most popular numbered lines. Well, I'm just saying. I think they are. 5 train. D train. Z train. N train. One train. The 1 train is actually really cool. R train. B train. G train. 4 train. 6 train. C train. J train. And last, L train. Okay, so that's mostly it. I'll put these back later. Thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and like. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.